we're so late. We're so late. We're back in Chengdu. Guys, as you can see,
We lost one.
we lost one to something. Hey, so we're at this place that says, I don't know what that says. I don't know. Happiness,
Prosperity.
prosperity,
And
money. I
yeah.
don't know, money, one of the two. We just saw this.
We saw a line.
We saw a line. We decided to check it out.
Once again. Where is Sonia? We got this
Where's Sonia?
fast translator. We paid for Sonia, not for this guy.
Say hi to our viewers. Alright, we made it to People's Park.
People.
People. Oh,
他会告诉你这样。
hey, why are you looking at someone? Why are you looking at me?
Looks good. This guy looks good.
Lots of people here. Get on it! We made it to Chengdu People's Park. Wow.
Elton records everything in.
Where's Sonia?
Waiting to pick our kids up from school.
Oh yeah.
What do you guys think? You good?
Just a pancake.
We're heading out. No, without Sonia. We're riding a bike. I don't know where we're gonna go. We're just gonna ride.
Hello.
It's the bridge. So we're gonna head out to our second bar.
Honestly, that feels good after like, you know, I got to play 5 times and I only spent like $8.
This is for Sonia.
Yeah, we would never go clubbing with
Never go with
Yeah, we would never go clubbing with you. We never.
We had 10 corn skewers. Say 5 for Sonia. Show them how many are left in the box.
Hey guys, I'm on a quick morning trip right now. Heading over to get some baozi for my sick Sonia. I'm getting this place for breakfast. It has some xiaolong bao. You can't really see it, but it's right there. She's alive and ready.
Made it out of the hotel room.
Ready to experience the last day in China. That's kind of crazy. Two parts where if I didn't pay attention, I would have just smacked my head.
I would have hit my head too if Alton
And it
wasn't
was
like, watch
fast.
it. Yeah. You dropped it right next to my foot. Yeah.
We just got
Freshly squeezed orange juice.
in People's Park. It's delicious.
Delish.
A student here. Hey guys, so the guy who did our stones that we ordered, custom stone stamps, recommended this place. They don't even accept Alipay, which is what all the foreigners use. Only WeChat. So we're gonna see how good it is.
Dude, we literally got. That's actually crazy. We actually got samplers.
Right here at People's Park. Alright guys, it's almost the end of the trip. We're heading over to grab some dinner right now with family. Quick update.
We are eating dinner with Alton's stepmom's family. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。哇！
Last night. Last Haji or second to last? Choose. Today I got skewers off the street, off a very touristy area.
Crazy. Hey, look at this up for me. What the heck?
Not bad actually. Hey guys, we're back in America. I've been looking out for this. I have been missing my Mexican food. Look at that. Not bad.
Oh, it's corn inside. It's not bad.
We're back. This time with Sonia.
My first time.
Hey guys, so it's the end of our trip in China with these two right here. Sonia and I, tour guide.
Some more, baby. Let's go.
Drink some more, and we got some snacks right here too later. But what do you guys have to say to our viewers?
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
And
Subscribe.
Tell them to pay for our Iceland trip.
Yeah. If you want to see more of Matt, let him know in the comments, alright? Don't worry about Danielle. If you don't like her, I mean, you probably don't, so.
Filipina.
I won't bring her next time.
Alright, well that's a wrap.
Bye.
Bye.